Hey guys, how we doing? All right, today it is storm time up here in the North Woods. I'm in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. Most people don't know where that is. They're thinking like the northern part of the Lower Peninsula. No, think Canada, think way over like bordering Wisconsin, but way up to the top to the north. Okay, so here's the dealio of what's going on. So it is March 14th. Yesterday we got about a foot of snow, which is a lot of snow, but it gets better. Tonight, starting about 10 o'clock, midnight, we're supposed to get up to 30 inches of snow. That's right, folks. 30 inches on top of the foot that we already got. That's a ton of snow. That's like record-breaking, ridiculous. Some parts they're saying up to 36 inches of snow. And it's not regular light, oh my gosh, that's so fluffy, let's have some hot chocolate snow. It's heavy, wet. If you're trying to shovel by hand, make sure that you're pacing yourself, because this is like cardiac arrest heavy snow, okay? So pace yourself, take it easy. Legit, people have heart attacks trying to move this stuff. This is also the unfortunate time that we lose power. Last year we lost it for 7 days because the snow is so heavy and so wet that it just knocks power lines down. So this is like no joke. Okay, the other thing is when you get this much snow, the other thing that people a lot of times don't think about is where are we gonna put it all? Where do you put all the snow? So I'm very lucky that I have somebody that plows my driveway. He keeps me plowed out all the time, which is fantastic. And he's really good at it and he knows what he's doing, and that's amazing. But like, you have to think about these things. Make sure that your driveway is being plowed out wide enough so that when you have to keep pushing more snow back and back and back, you have enough room to do that. So if you have a farm, if you have a homestead like I have, it's not only worrying about shoveling out your steps, your walkways, your driveway, it's also making sure that like all of your gates are shoveled out so that you can do that. Because if you wait until you've got 3 feet of snow that's heavy and wet, dude, like it's gonna be really heavy and dangerous and awful. So we're preparing, but don't worry, I'm gonna take you with me. The other thing that they've upgraded now, Winter Storm Elsa, they named her Elsa. I love that. So the kids and I have been singing Frozen songs today. Oh, they've upgraded it from a winter storm to a blizzard. So that's great. So now it's a blizzard Elsa. Because we're supposed to be getting wind speeds of up to 50 miles an hour. Again, guys, this is no joke. No joke. So I'm going to take you with me. I'm going to show you how we survive this, what it's like. I'm honestly hoping that they're over predicting, because this could suck really, really bad. So buckle up, Buttercup. We got some stuff to get into together. Okay, if you live in a house, by the way, that is drafty or has a lot of gaps around your doors, here's something you can do. Is it aesthetically pleasing? No. But do we care? Absolutely not right now. So you just take a twin bed sheet, and this fits perfectly. You just put it around the door, and keeps all the wind out from blowing in. And let me tell you, when the winds start kicking up here, I will very much appreciate that. All right, let's see what we got this morning here. It's been snowing for 8 hours. There we go. It's a little bit there. Can you be mad at it? I mean, it's beautiful. It's gorgeous out here. This is what it looks like.
And the snow is only getting taller.
It's only getting taller?
Yeah.
Yeah.
For all you, I'm going to see this. I'm actually wearing 2 layers.
Yep.
And if you were going to wear sweatshirts, shirt, anything, I recommend putting 3 or 4 on. But you only need like 2 pants because your stomach gets really cold. Because my stomach is actually really cold. Because like all the can you even see my stomach?
Oh my goodness, no, all I see is more shirts.
Can you see it now?
Ah, there's your belly!
Yeah, it's cold.
I bet.
How are we doing? We're doing okay.
All right, guys, here we are today. Same day. Towards the end of the day. These are the drifts that we are presently dealing with. In bad news, they have increased the mile per hour numbers. So now they're saying upwards of 65 miles an hour of wind. Here's my barn. The front of my main barn. That's over my head. That's over my head. Dude, this is like real. Tonight, winds increasing, and it's supposed to be said and done by tomorrow at like 3 p.m. We're supposed to get an additional 8 inches yet before then. Praise God we still have electricity. Honestly, I'm shocked that we still have it with this wind. But it's gonna be getting worse. So yeah, this is no joke, y'all. Then there's that kid. So yeah, I'm not even making an attempt to get into my barn, the main door. There's just, that's how much space we have from the roof. Luckily, my daughter cleared this little path between our rabbitry barn and our main barn. That gives you an idea of how high. That's where the snow right now is drifted. That's the top of our fences. Unbelievable. There you go. It's an idea of how deep the snow is here compared to our roof.
10 likes and I'll take it.
Oh my goodness.
Everybody, I'm doing this for the clout. Are you recording?
I'm recording.
I'm doing this for the clout.
Nice. There's our pastures out to the back. This is no joke, guys.
Yeah, guys, look at this. Hello, everybody. I don't know if you can really hear me, but I'm doing this for the fame. Not really for the fame, but for the laughs, the love, and the entertainment. 3, 2, 1. I'm alive.
Good job, buddy.
Hold on, I want to get back to y'all real quick. Hold on. Hi.
By the way, Anatolian Shepherd dogs love this weather. They are an absolute heaven. They think he's crazy, though, but they love it.
Back to me, y'all. It's torso deep, but you have to do a cut for me to get back here, but don't worry. But
You got 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
Yep.
But this was the Blizzard Elsa, and this was Johnny. And everyone, have a wonderful day, night, afternoon, whatever it is.
Whee!
This is anticlimactic. I expected to slide.
Oh my gosh. Thanks, guys, for watching.